Okay, so we've got the ScanNCut Disney machine. I have taken it out of the box and I've removed all of the packaging. You've got your touch screen here with your on button, unload, pause button. This machine is fantastic because it's got built-in storage, which are here on magnets. Inside this first compartment, you've got your regular cutting blade and your fabric cutting blade, your stylus to use with your touch screen, your spatula tool, and there's a little plastic compartment to keep them all in if you want to. And then in this side, you've got your 6 coloured pens and your 2 fabric pens, along with your pen holder. Along with this machine, you also get a fabric applique sheet for doing your iron-on projects. You get a trial pack of the rhinestone kit, which is great. We'll be doing a small project with that, hopefully. You've got your universal pen holder for using pens other than the small pens. You've got some instructions and a quick reference guide. You have a standard mat. Also, you have the high-tack adhesive fabric support sheet in here. You have a low-tack mat with some cardstock, which will enable you to make your first project, which is this cute little Disney bag.